Hello viewers, thanks for watching this video. This is the additional video of under the concept series of time value of money to calculate the present value using interest factor on MS Excel. So in my previous video in this respect we have already discussed the formula which we will use to calculate the present value after manipulating the formula, which is future value is equal to present value 1 plus r raised to power n. And in order to calculate the present value we need to manipulate the formula, and after manipulating the formula will be written as present value is equal to future value divided by 1 plus r raised to power n, or you can use this formula as present value PV is equal to FE into 1 plus r raised to power minus n. So let's take the question. A person would require rupees 1000 after 1 year in account while bank offer rate is 10%. How much he should deposit today? So here we calculate this on MS Excel. So you can adjust this page according to the slide. So let's first adjust this Excel sheet on. Okay, so here it is. So first what we need to do is let's delete the data now. So first extract the information. So according to this question, a person would require rupees 1000 after 1 year in account. So it means here the provided value is the future value, which is 1000, which a person would be required after 1 year. So which means n is equal to 1 year. So let's take while bank offered rate is 10%. So the rate being offered for this transaction is 10%, and how much he should deposit today, which means it is asking for present value. Here it comes. We have extracted the data from the information. So now firstly you can use this fx insert function in order to calculate the present value. What you are going to do is first, in order to sort it out what formulas you are required to calculate, so present value is the calculation under the category of financial. So first select the financial, and here this selection will filter out the relevant calculations, and you are required to calculate the present value. So you would require to just press P in order to find the options or formulas starting with P. So here you are going to start find out. Here it comes. Present value returns the present value of an investment, the total amount that a series of future payments inverse worth now. So we are going to calculate the present value, select the PV, then press OK. First we are required to put the rate, and here in this question the rate is 10%. So just click on the rate and click on the relevant cell in order to put the value. Here you can see the value which is showing you in points. Now in NPER it is asking for the year, and in this question it is 1. Here again you can see it is showing the value. If it is showing an error, which means you have inserted the wrong value. So far we do not have any concern with PMT, so leave it blank, and the future value which the person would be required after 1 year, then select the relevant cell, and here it is showing the value. Keep the type area as blank, then press OK. Here you can see it is showing you the present value of 1000 which the person would be required after 1 year. So the person would require to deposit 909.09 today in order to get the value of 1000 after 1 year at the provided rate of 10%. So in order to get, since this value is showing in bracket, so just to remove these brackets, just put the value as minus. It will give you the positive value. The negative value means the person giving this amount out of pocket, so Excel take this amount as negative, and the amounts which required to get in future will be shown as positive. As you can see, we inserted the value as 1000 positive. So the first calculation we performed using fx function. Now we are going to calculate it directly, putting the values on a cell. So let's take this like this. Let's do it like this, equal to, then we need to calculate the present value, so just insert PV as we have already seen in the relevant function. Type, press P and V, and then press tab. Now here you can see it is showing the required values to calculate the present value. So first it is asking for the rate. Click on the relevant cell. You have made the selection, then press comma in order to put the another value. Here it is asking for NPER, so press the relevant cell, click on the relevant cell in order to insert the value, and after that insert comma. Here it is asking for payment, PMT. So in this question it is not required, then press another comma in order to put the another value. Here it is asking to insert the future value, so just click on the relevant cell. Here you have inserted all the relevant values. To calculate the present value, just close the bracket by pressing shift and 0 and then press enter. Again you can see it is showing the value in bracket, which means the amount is being given out of pocket. So just keep it, just to convert this amount into positive, press insert negative before the PV and then press enter. It will show you in positive, and if you want to see the decimals, then simply click home, then number, and then this option increase decimal, showing the value with decimals. So students, here it is how to calculate the present value using discounting factor for the amount being deposited today in order to get the desired future value. So thank you so much for watching. Keep watching my videos. I will be uploading the concept series under the time value of money. Thanks for watching.